to my channel. I know my hair is a bit funny, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today is a Asda haul. Okay, today is 31st of May. Okay guys, so we are doing Asda haul today. I went to Asda and I'll be showing you guys my receipt, how much I spent in Asda, what I bought from Asda. Okay, so this haul is a weekly haul where some of the things are going to last more than a week, as I always say in my vlog. Okay guys, some are not going to be repeated because I bought some few little clothing for myself. Okay, so this haul is for a family of 6. Okay, so it's Asda weekly stroke above the week haul. So let's dive right in. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, comment. Guys, please give the video a thumbs up. It's so important. It helps YouTube to recommend the video, and it's a helpful video guys. Okay, I'm sure if you're a family of 6 and you live in UK, or if you're planning of coming to the UK and you watch in Africa, you can have a rough idea of how much a family of 6 spends if you're buying similar things like me. Okay guys, so let's dive right into this video. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you. All right, my amazing subscribers, so this is everything in this Asda haul. Okay, this is everything here. So this haul cost me, I'll tell you guys, everything here cost me £146.85. okay, there's some discounts. Everything was £156.85, but with discounts take off I got £146.85. okay, so this is my receipt. Asda, my receipt. Okay, so this is the total. I don't know if you guys can see. Sometimes the camera doesn't focus on the receipt, but anyway, there's that. So this is everything I got here on this haul. Hope you guys can see it properly. Trying to move the camera up so you guys can see everything on the haul, on the table. Okay, in no particular order, I'm just going to start from the top of the receipt. The very first thing on the receipt is what I'm going to start with. Okay guys, so let's start. So I got this paper, printed paper, which is this one here. I got just one printed paper. I'm going to be going around the table so you guys can see properly. So I got this printed paper. I'm trying to remove all this so I can show you guys properly. Okay, so I got the printed paper. The printed paper is the camera is going a bit dark, I don't know why. The printed paper is £4.90. I bought just one. Okay guys, the next thing is the deodorant. The deodorant is the spray, which is this one, this Right Guard. They are £1.70 for my husband and my son. £1.70. okay guys, and then the next thing here is the jam. Let me look for the jam on the table. Okay, so the jam is here. Show you guys the jam. I bought 3 jams. Strawberry jam, strawberry jam. Okay, I bought 3 of them. 3 jam. Okay, the jam are 40p each. Okay, so I bought mayonnaise as well. Asda's own mayonnaise, not the one I bought last time that was £2. But the Asda mayonnaise, it seems like people keep buying them so fast. They are £1.15. They used to be less than that, but they are now £1.15. I remember the last time I bought Asda mayonnaise, I think it was less than £1, in true honesty. It's now £1.15. And this is even the lighter one. This is not the other one. This is the lighter one. I got 3 of them because this is the one I could find. The other ones there, the price are very high, £2 something, £3 something. So these ones are £1.15, and this was only the 3 left. I just picked 3. Okay, that's mayonnaise. And then we have the feminine care. The feminine care, I think it's the pad. I think it's the pad. Okay, they are 99p. I bought 2 of them. They're 99p. I bought 2. Okay, and then we have the bath soak, 95p for each of them. I got 2 bath soak here. Asda, they are 95p each. Let me just check again. Yes, 95p each, guys. One of each. Purple, blue. Okay. And then I got some toothpaste, some Maclean toothpaste, £1, 30p. I'm going around the table so you guys can see it. Maclean toothpaste, £1, 30p. I got 2. Okay, and then we have the shower gel, which is the one I've gone past, £2.80 with the Palmolive shower gel. It's £2.80. Just come back around the table again. £2.80, guys. Okay, this is this one. Yeah, I got just one of it. Okay, guys, so we have this carbonara pasta bake, £6.50. That's what we're going to have now. I bought 2 of them. Okay, the other one there. So I bought 2 of the carbonara pasta bake. Okay, guys, and then the next thing we have is the scissors for hair. The scissors for hair, my daughter has already opened it. It's for trimming your hair. It's £5. She already opened it. It's £5. And then we have some pegs. I got some colorful pegs which are over here. That is the pegs there, guys. The pegs are £1. And then we got the cook ham, which are over here. They've reduced the price of the cook ham, or chicken roll rather. They've reduced it to £1.80. It came down to £1.80. I bought 3 of them. Okay. Yeah, guys, I bought 3 of them. And then we have some cutting board. The cutting board is somewhere around the table here. That's the cutting board here, guys. The cutting board is 80p. Yeah, guys, 80p for the cutting board. I bought just 1. Okay, guys, so the next thing on the list here is the hair care, which I think is the hairspray. They are £1.50 each. I bought this vanilla scent, and then this strawberry scent smells really nice. This one smells really nice. They are £1.50 each. Okay, guys, £1.50 each. Then we have roll-ons. I got some roll-ons for me and the girls. So I got this roll-on £2. This particular brand, £2 for 1. That's £4 for those 2. Then I also got this Sanex. I got the Sanex. It's I think the Sanex is £1 something. Okay, £1.75 for the Sanex. I find the price. Okay, so there's that one. And then we have sliced cheese. Here is the cheese, if I can find it. Okay, guys, the cheese is right on this side of the table. Let me show you guys. So we got some cheese here. The cheese, there are £2. It's 2 for £4. £2 for £4. Sliced cheese, I got 2. It has the discount is there. They're taking the discount off. 2 for £4.50 rather. It's on the receipt. 2 for £4.50. You guys can't see it very well, but it's 2 for £4.50 for the sliced cheese. And then what we have evaporated milk. I think I bought 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I think it's 8 evaporated milk I bought. Yeah, I bought 8 evaporated milk. Okay, they are here. So evaporated milk, where is it again? I'm trying to look for the price. It's 70p, guys. 70p. You know, last time it was 50 something or 60 something. It's now 70p for the evaporated milk. So I bought 8. I got some biscuits as well. These biscuits is quite the biscuit is interesting because the biscuits, some are 60p, some are 50p. Okay, so biscuit 60p. This one is 60p. The digestive are 60p. And then the other biscuits, let me look for the prices for you guys. No, actually I made a mistake. The digestive is 65p. The rich tea is 60p. Okay, the malt, this one, let's look at the price of this malt one, because the way they scan it, okay, the malt is 50p. Okay, so I got 3 of each. I got 3 of each of them. This one, I'll check the price of this one. This one I think is £1.90 something. Yeah, £1.90 guys, £1.90 for this one, £1.90. Then we got the red grape juice drink, which is somewhere around the table. Let's go around the table and show you guys. So we got this red grape juice. They are £1.70, about 2 of them. We got some ketchup. I got 4 ketchup. Sorry guys, I have to go around the table. So I got 4 ketchup here. So the ketchup are £1.35, so I got 4 of them. You guys can see them there. I got some pork pie, which are over here. The pork pie, one of them is £2. This one on top is £2. This is £2. The bottom one, which is Asda brand, well, they are both Asda brand, but I don't know why they differentiate them. But anyway, that one there is where is it now? Pork pie, £1.79 for this one. This one that has their yellow sticker, £1.79. Okay. And then we have pizza, which is there. The pizza is the first one of it. Let me check the price, because there's 2 pizza there. One, they have their prices at the back. I got 2 type of pizza. Sometimes the price is different from each other. So this particular pizza is £4.75. Let me see the other pizza. This other pizza is £5.25. See, the prices are different. Okay, so there's that. Then we got pancake. My daughter has already ate one of the pancake. I don't know where she put the second one. Is it there? Okay. So there was supposed to be 2 pancakes, but she's ate one already. She gave me a little bit when I was driving in the car. Okay. So that's the pancake. Let me tell you guys the price of the pancake. The pancake are £1.20. Then we got some brioche rolls, which are somewhere here. We got brioche roll. 2 brioche roll. They are £1.20, I swear. Brioche roll £1.20. And then we have garlic bread, which is 37p. This is the garlic bread here. It needs to go to the freezer or fridge. Okay. Got 2 is the one with the yellow sticker. Garlic bread. 37p. Okay. And then the next thing is the bread. The bread at 75p. I got 4 bread. I'm going to put them in the freezer soon. 2, 3, 4. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 75p each. Okay guys, for the bread. Yep, and then what else? What next? I'm trying to look at the receipt. We got some bagels. I think we got only 1 bagel, which is over there. That's the bagel here. 1. The bagel is 95p. And then we got some women 90. That's my clothing. Okay, let me tell you guys about the egg first. I got 1 egg, which is here. The egg is £1.99. That's the egg, £1.99. Okay, so guys, I got some bras. The bra is this particular bra. Don't know how to show you guys, but anyway, let's see. Okay, so this one is 3 in the t-shirt bra. It's 3 for £15. There's 3 colors in there, so you guys can see: white, nude color or skin color, and black. Okay, £15 for this one. It's coming apart. Let me just put it on the chair. Okay, it's £15. I like buying my bra from Asda. They always have my size. So, and then I also bought this other one. Let me come around. I also got this other one. This one is 2. This is not padded. You know, the padded one had more volume to your bust, but I like these ones just because I couldn't find another one. That's why I buy that one. I already have a large bust. So this one is 15 pounds. It's yellow and white. Okay, my first time of buying a yellow bra. Okay, and then I got my 90 here. Let me show you guys my 90. The 90, I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, that's my 90. Precious, all the 90, so they can see it. Okay guys, that's the 90. It's £12.50. £12.50 for 2. Yeah, you can bring it now. It's 2 in there. Okay guys, I don't know if I'm forgetting anything. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything, but this is everything in this haul. Okay, everything cost me £146.85. Please guys, don't forget to share this video for me. Give it a thumbs up, please guys, so that it can get recommended by YouTube, please. Okay, hope you guys enjoy watching. Oh, there's one more thing that I forgot to show you guys. The salad. The salad is £1.70. I couldn't even find the receipt. Find it in the receipt, that's why. The salad, guys, is £1.70. That's what I forgot to show you guys. Okay, and that's it for this haul, guys. Let me show you guys around the table. Salad, yeah, £1.70. I found it there on the receipt. I was beginning to wonder if they didn't scan it. So I'm just going around the table showing you guys what's on the haul. I've shown you guys everything now. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, consider subscribing if you like watching shopping haul. This for a family of 6. Okay guys, yeah, thanks so much for watching. Oh, I think I also forgot to show you guys the yogurt. I just saw the yogurt now. I'm about to end the video, guys. The yogurt is £3. That's £3, guys. Okay, yeah, and that's it for this haul. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.